Welcome back. Karnataka government has agreed to put a concrete blockade on canal from Hadai River to Malaprabha Basin. Karnataka's superintending engineer has told the monitoring committee that the work will begin from 21st May and will get over on 30th May. The monitoring committee appointed by the Hadai Tribunal inspected the Karsa Bandura project on Thursday. Goa's superintending engineer has asked to carry on the work as per the guidelines of the tribunal's technical committee.
The monitoring committees of Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra appointed by Madhai Tribunal inspected the site at Karsa. Madhai Tribunal had ordered Karnataka to put a concrete blockade on their canals, thereby making it difficult for them to divert any water from Madhai River to Malaprabha Basin. Karnataka's superintending engineer has told the monitoring committee that the work will begin from 21st May and will get over on 30th May. Member of Madhai Bachao Abhiyan, Rajendra Kerkar, had accompanied the committee for the inspection.
21 तारखेच्यान जे मुख्य काम आसा म्हणजे कालवो जो आसा त्या कालव्याक बांद घालून जे पाणी कळसाचे मलप्रभेन वयता ते रोखपा खातीर जी उपाययोजना जी आसा ती उपाययोजना करपा खातीर कामकाज जे आसा ते कामकाज 21 तारखेच्यान सुरू जाताले आणि ते 30 मे पर्यंत पूर्ण जातले अशें तेंच्यांनी सांगलेले आसा.
Goa Superintending Engineer Shrikant Patil has been asked to carry on the work as per the guidelines by the tribunal's technical committee.
हे जे कामकाज जे आसा ते कामकाज लवादाच्या तांत्रिक सल्लागार समितीन जो आराखडा मान्यता दिल्ली आसा त्या आराखड्यानुसार काम जावपाक जाय अशा प्रकारचो आग्रह जो आसा तो गोयचे अधीक्षक अभियंता श्रीकांत पाटील यांच्यानी ह्या समिती समोर मांडलो.
Locals from Kankumbi also raised the issue regarding Mauli temple in their area. They have requested not to hurt their religious sentiments.
माऊलीचे जे मंदिर आसा त्या माऊलीच्या मंदिराचो जो सभामंडप आसा हो सामको भग्न स्थितीन आसा आणि मंदिराच्या अस्तित्वाकूय संकट निर्माण जाल्ले आसा. हे पुरेपूर जे काम आसा हे दुरुस्तीचे काम हाती घेऊन मंदिर जे आसा ते पूर्वपदार हाडपाक जाय अशी मंदिराचे जे ट्रस्टी आसा त्याचे अध्यक्ष भवन दळवी प्राध्यापक यांच्यानी ह्या वेळार कर्नाटकाच्या मुख्य अभियंत्यासमोर मांडले.
Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Lifestyle diseases are highest in the state. Heart diseases top the list with 22% cases, whereas diabetic patients with 21% and obesity with 20% cases. Younger populations between 25 to 45 years is affected the most with lifestyle diseases. Healthcare Abnormality Report 2013-2014 released by Indus Health Plus has revealed the figures.
Lifestyle diseases is a major killer in Goa. Across the India, lifestyle diseases has become one of the biggest killer, and that's what we also see specifically in Goa, that lifestyle diseases are on a high. The deaths because of lifestyle diseases are very, very high. Cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, alcohol, liver diseases. These diseases have started hitting people in the age group right from 25 onwards.
Majority of deaths in Goa are due to lifestyle diseases. It is found that cardiovascular ailments are the killer diseases, followed by diabetes, alcoholic and liver diseases. Heart problem 22%, diabetics 21%, obesity 20%, ophthalmic problems 19%, anemia 18%. The report also says that diseases have started hitting people right from the age of 25 onwards. It has been noticed that more than 250 women get detected by breast cancer every year. Healthcare Abnormality Report 2013-14 was released by Indus Health Plus pioneer in preventive healthcare at Panji on Tuesday morning. Bureau Report, Prudent.
GSIDC can continue their work of concretization at Miramar to Donapaul Road. High Court on Thursday dismissed interim relief to stop road work. Speaking to Prudent, Sanjit Rodriguez said that the court upheld its affidavit that NOC to the work was within the powers of CCP Commissioner. Sanjit also informed that this project will save the state's money as the road will last for 50 years. Sanjit denied the allegation of duplication of work in this concretization project.
Goa bench of High Court on Thursday heard a PIL regarding Miramar Donapala Road filed by Advocate Irish Rodriguez. Court has dismissed the interim relief to stop road work. A public interest litigation has been filed against the ongoing project of concretization of Miramar Donapaul Road, as this road was hot mixed recently in January at cost of 1.3 crore rupees. Sanjit claims that this project will save money of the state.
The court had heard the writ petition. The interim relief is rejected, and the project is going on smoothly as it was going. There is no stay, no stop, nothing. As you know, the roads are being surfaced every year. The size and the height of roads are rising year by year. It has to stop somewhere, and we have taken a conscious research decision that this has to stop now, and we have started with concretizations of roads, and it is a road which will last for 50 years. We will not have to surface the road over and over again. It will be pothole free. No works to be tendered again and again to resurface this road. It will result in a huge saving for the government.
Sanjit also informed that because of Lusophonia games, road was hot mixed in January. Contractor resumed the work once Lusophonia game got over. Sanjit also informed that project of 72 crores includes many other work as per master plan for the city of Panji.
As the project was going on, the Lusophonia games neared. The marathon event of the marathon run of the Lusophonia games was supposed to take place on this road. A conscious decision was taken to stop the sewage work. The sewage work was stopped, and the road, only one side of the road was lightly resurfaced, not even compacted fully, so that the marathon event could be run.
Sanjit also clarified on NOC issue.
See, in my affidavit to the court, I was very clear. It is within my powers. The court has upheld it. If it was not within my powers, court would have struck it down. Court would have given some relief.
Our senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Food and Drug Administration raided 4 places at Uzgaon Tisk on Thursday. FDA team seized goods and food items worth 59,000 rupees and burned the stuff on the spot. The FDA team also sealed the establishment operating in unhygienic and non-licensed area.
आज सकाळी आमकां डायरेक्टरान हें दिल्ल्या प्रमाण ऑर्डर्स दिल्ल्या प्रमाण हांगा खांडेपारा रॉयल स्वीट्स गांवठाण खांडेपार थंय एक रेड घातली आनी सेबेस्टियन नाडार म्हणून तेजे कडेन म्हाका विदावट लेबल थोडो माल मेळ्ळो जवळ जवळ 8,000चो तो माल आमी थंयच डिस्ट्रॉय केलो ऑन द स्पॉट आनी मागीर आमी हांगा आयला उजगांव नियर सिने कमला थिएटर आनी अशर खान हेजे प्रिमायसीस ही बेकरी आसा हांगा ही बेकरी टोटल अनहायजिनीक कंडिशनान तो चलयता आनी हेजे कडेन लायसन्सूय ना आनी हांगा आमकां मेळ्ळो युनूस खान म्हणूनचो एक तेजो मनीस तेजे कडल्यान आमी आतां ही सगळे माल जवळ जवळ 30,000चो माल एलोंग विथ द रॉ मटेरियल सगळें आमी हांगा आतां हें जाळां कित्याक तर एक तर ते अनहायजिनीक कंडिशनान करता सेकेंड थिंग विदावट लेबल आनी तिसरें म्हटल्यार ही जी पायपां जी आसा ती एडल्ट्रेटेड आनी तेजेर लेबलूय ना आनी स्पेशली ल्हान भुरगीं खाता पायप्स आनी दुसरी ती ABCD म्हणून कलर्ड ती एडल्ट्रेटेड आसल्या कारणान आमी सगळीं जाळ्या हांगा
आनी फर्दर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन कितें
आतां आमी प्रिमायसीस ऑलरेडी आतां हांव सील करतलो आनी ताका तेजेरूय एक्शन घेतलो एज पर द फूड सेफ्टी एक्ट ताका प्रोसिक्युशन फायल जातलें मागीर सद्या ओरिजिनल ओनर तेजो ना ताका आमी आतां नोटीस दिल्या आनी मागीर फुडलें हें घेतली.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.